my dear. Today I am discuss about the stack and queue related GATE 2021 question. Okay. So first of all, what is stack and what is queue? So stack and queue is the most important part of the data structure, which is actually basically belong in linear data structure. Okay. So my question is consider the following sequence of operation on an empty stack. So have a empty stack. So a stack is generally denoted by this figure, and as well as queue is denoted by this figure. Okay. First of all, the most important thing is stack is maintained or followed by the technique of LIFO. Stack maintain LIFO technique. Okay, LIFO, LIFO. That means last in, first out. Which element are insert actually in the last position? Those elements are out in the first time. Okay, and queue is maintained by FIFO technique. Queue is maintained by FIFO technique. FIFO means first in, first out. That means which element are inserted in the first time, so that elements are out or out of the first time. Okay, so now one important time in this case actually basically used for push and pop, or actually insertion or deletion operation. Okay, insertion and deletion operations are namely in both technique with different name. Sir, which name actually? So in a stack we insert element and delete element. In queue we insert element and delete element. So in this case, for insert we generally define push. We generally define push and delete pop. Push means insertion and pop means deletion. As well as similarly, and queue means insertion, and DQ means deletion. DQ means deletion. Okay. So this is the most important part of the stack and queue. So now my question is actually, first of all I am just explain stack. Push 54. Push means insert 54. Okay. I just insert 54. Okay. And then push 52. Push 52. Push means insert. So that's why I am insert the element 54 and 52. Pop. Pop means I am just deletion the element. Which element actually deletion? Which element are entered in the last position? Okay, because we also know that a stack maintained by the LIFO technique. A stack maintained by the LIFO technique. So which element are entered in the last time? So which element? In this case, 52 are entered in the last time. Insert actually last time. So pop means in this case top is the position. So remember one thing, in a stack we use top, in queue we use front and rear. Okay, so 52 is the top position. Pop, that means it's removed from the stack because it is the first element. Okay, it is the last element. Okay, because you also know that LIFO, that means last in, first out. So last element is 52 are inserted in the last time. That's why it out in the first time. Now 52 will be removed. Then push 55. Then push 55. Sir, push 55 because push means insertion. So 55 is insert. Then push 62. Then push 62. So my top position is 62 because there will be no any remaining push operation. So next S equal to pop. Next S equal to pop. Which element pop in the last time? Actually basically this is assigned by the variable of S. So in the last time will be inserted 62 element. In the last time will be inserted 62 elements. So 62 element pop, and I am just I assign the variable of S. Okay, so S means 62. So why? Because we also know that just first of all push 54, 52, then pop, that means pop 52 will be removed, then again 55 insert, 62 insert, and pop. which operation actually pop, that operation are assigned by the variable of s. So that's why I assign 62 in the variable of s. Okay, so my value of s is actually 62. So next time I am just find the q operation. Okay, so q is the maintained by the a, this figure. Okay, so now NQ. So NQ means insertion, DQ means deletion. Okay, NQ means insertion and DQ means deletion. Okay, insertion and deletion. So first of all, NQ 21. So 21 will be the insert in the first time, and as well as Q maintained by the FIFO technique. Sir, FIFO means which element insert in the first time, that elements are out. Okay, in the first time. Okay, so 21 and NQ 24. Okay, DQ. Sir, DQ means I am just remove element from the Q. Okay, so which element actually remove? 21. Yes, 21 will be removed. Why, sir? Because 21 element insert in the first time. Now check another NQ 28. NQ means insertion. Which element? 28. Sir, why I am just insert 28 in this place? Why not in this place? Because I am just inserting in this way. Okay. So that's why first of all insert 21, then 24, then 28. So NQ 28. Next 32. Next 32. Okay. Then Q equal to DQ. So which element are removed from the Q? So those elements or that elements are assigned by the variable of Q. So Q means, so Q equal to, so which element actually are removed? 24, because 21 is removed. So that's why don't worry about the 21 element. And I am just playing with 24, 28, 32. So which of the element among the three elements, which of the element actually inserted first? 24. Okay, in the last time are inserted 32 and 28 and 32. So that's why 24 are inserted first. So that's why, because as we know that the Q is actually maintained by the FIFO technique, first in, first out. So 24 is actually removed. So Q means 24. Why, sir, I am just assigning 24 in Q? Because in this case mentioned Q equal to DQ. So which element are DQ? So those element or that element actually are assigned by the variable of Q. Okay. Now my next operation is the value of S plus Q is dash. So S plus Q is dash. So S value is 62 and Q value is 24. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So 86 is my correct answer. So I hope A is the correct answer. Not hope, just 86 is the correct answer. Okay, actually you can understand this matter with very easily. I hope that. So 86, how to be find 86 is the actually correct answer. How to be solve this problem. Okay, so we also first of now that the push and pop operation, and as well as Q and DQ and Q and DQ operation. Okay, so this is the important question for GATE as well as any competitive exam. So thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel as soon as possible. Thank you.